Hello, my dear students. Today I want to talk with you about body language. Why it is important to know how to present information to other people, not only verbally, not only by speaking, but also by the way we act and by the way we move our hands and our body overall. According to many scientists and psychologists, 70% of the information that we deliver to other people every day in our daily communication is not verbally but through body language. And what is this body language? This is the language that is out of our body but not our mouth. That means everything like gesture, mimics, pose, the position of your body, the movement of your parts, this is body language. And this body language delivers a lot of information. I'm coming from Europe, and in Europe we have European Union. You may think that everything in this European Union is exactly the same. The way we do business, the way we talk, the way we communicate, the way we eat, nothing like this. If you go to southern part of Europe, if you go to Italy or Greece, you may face totally different way of communication. If you go to northern part, to Scandinavia, to Finland, to Norway, to Sweden, these people are acting and behaving differently. So let's face several situations how European people deliver information and how European people are making business. And I'm gonna talk about business just because I'm coming from a business environment. In my past, I used to be a lawyer, a business lawyer, and I used to communicate between different, in many cases, different country clients, like clients from England or France and clients from Russia or from Bulgaria. So, most probably, if you go to Europe and you want to make business or you want to just interact with people with different culture, the first thing that you need to know is how to present yourself, how to show yourself. Well, in many countries in Europe, shaking hands is like a universal gesture of friendship. So if you say your name, you just shake hand with the person who is sitting on the other side of the table, and that's okay. And this is normal for Italian, for Spanish people, for people in France. But if you are going to Germany or if you're going to Finland, well, you may face like a wall. They are not really keen to shake hands with you. It's not just they don't like you. No, it's nothing like this. They are just more conservative and more preserved. Then the way you are making a conversation with people. I used to live in Italy when I was younger, and Italians are textbook example how they use body language. You can see my hands. If you tie my hands, I may be not able to communicate with you, and this is the way how Italian people are speaking. They are using their hands very, very often and very, very expressively. So if we like somebody, we simply say, Mamma mia, molto bene, that's very good. If we dislike something, we shake like this and we totally disagree. So the whole position of the body, sometimes shouting and raising your voice, it is a way to express your feelings. Then if you go to Germany, for example, and you want to sign a big deal to make a nice, good, big business with German people, then don't expect that German people will invite you on dinner. You can be invited on dinner in Italy, in Greece, in France, and people will enjoy eating and drinking with you and be a really nice friends together. But if you go to Germany or northern part of Europe, then you just go to office discuss all the details of this business that you want to deliver or accept, and that's it. After the meeting is over, don't wait for them to invite you for dinner or invite you for a drink. No, it's not their way of thinking. It's not their way of living and doing business particularly. But we are living in universal world, and you see, I'm a European person living here in China, so we apply. You may know this sentence: when you're in Rome, do as Romans do. It's the same here. We are foreigners in China, so we have to respect and accept Chinese way of living, Chinese way of culture. What do I mean? You know, here in China, you like to share your meal together. You put hot pot in the middle of the table, and everybody can put meat and vegetables there, and you happily eat together. That's what we accept from you, and we also do it here in China. The way we are eating in Europe is a little bit more different. Everybody has his dish in front of the body, and we are cutting the meat, and we are talking with low voice, just because we don't want to interfere to everybody's or other people in the restaurant. But here in China, you can shout, you can smile, you can laugh, and you can create a really happy atmosphere. So we are different, but because of our differences, we can really accept and enlarge our cultural perception, and overall that makes us better humans. Thank you very much. See you soon.